Everyday hustle like William. Yeah.
Hey team, welcome back again to the King of Media YouTube channel. We've had a lot of requests to show you through the workshop here at ProFlow Performance where I work every day. So we're going to take you through over a few episodes. Today we're going to start off in the engine room. We've got a pretty cool lineup here at the moment, so I thought it was a good time to kick this off. So I'm just going to show you some of the cool stuff we get up to, and hopefully you enjoy it. Let's go.
Soon as I up, let's go. Just like double alone.
So I'm starting in the back corner. We have the H2O Noonan Hemi, one of the most gorgeous engines money can buy. Fully billet top to bottom, completely water jacketed for the street. The same engine that we run in HTKO, the Monaro we unveiled at Summernats. This engine was intended to go in a HQ Monaro, it's a street car, so it's topped off with a 1471 BDS blower and one of our PFP injector hats. It's currently not together, just sitting in here so it doesn't get damaged, but it's a very gorgeous piece. Then next to it, we have the opposite end of the scale, this Holden 179. We've just freshened it up, restored it all. It's going in an EJ Holden wagon that we're doing a bit of work on. We're not really locked into one type of engine we work on here at ProFlow. We mainly specialise in stuff like this, LS's, but you get everything. 308s, big blocks, 179s, whatever you can imagine. Lots of Jap engines as well, RBs, CAs, SRs, we get all of it through it. This LS I am standing here with today is a gorgeous piece. It's based off a dart block, 427 cubic inches, Kelly's 8 counterweight crank, Oliver rods, Race Tech pistons, Mars 6 bolt heads on it, topped off with all the beautiful Sean's custom alloy gear on top, and a next gen engineering dry sump. So down here under wraps in various stages of the build, we have a BD 2000 headed small block, a Big Chief headed big block, and a 355 Holden that's going to be topped off with a Harrop supercharger. And then next to me, we have a all aluminium Rodec big block, topped off with a Littlefield 1471 and buzzard hat, running on alcohol. This is going in a HG sedan event car that's going to do a bit of drag racing as well. It's set to go on the engine dyno this week and make some steam, so that should be a cool one. Then over here we have another 355 Holden, hydraulic cam, 671 blower on pump fuel, nice street combo, going in a VK Brock. In the back row here, we have 400 cubic inch small block Chevy, AFR heads, 871 BDS blower and EFI hat. Going to be running on pump fuel, that one, just a nice street combo as well. Then we have this one a little bit more serious, 600 cubic inch dart big block, AFR heads, topped off with the Sean's custom alloy billet manifold. This is going to have a pair of Precision Pro Mod 88mm turbo strapped to it, running on alcohol, should hopefully make well over 2,000 in the car. And then one for the Ford fans, 427 Cleveland headed Windsor, topped off with the Holy Sniper. This one made just under 700, going in an XY Falcon. Then in front of me, this is one we just finished now, combo that we've done a lot of, 403 cubic inch cast iron LS with the factory 821 heads on it that have been ported, and hydraulic roller camshaft, built for boost, obviously topped off with the 871 and PFP Products injector hat. This one's on EFI, going in a VY Commodore event car. This combo should make around the 1,000 horsepower mark. As you can see on the front, it is strapped with aircon as well, fully optioned up. And on this side we have one of our billet alternator brackets we make as one of our PFP products, along with the belt guard, idler bracket, injector hat, distribution block bracket and distribution block, along with the TPS block on this side. They're all billet products that we have made here in Australia and sell on our ProFlow Performance website. Then to this side of me, we have a Dart Windsor, solid camshaft, 871 blower, and again one of our PFP products hats. This one's also EFI, going in a Cortina street car. Moving along again, we have another 400 cubic inch small block Chev, topped off with an 871 blower and EFI hat. This one going in a HG Monaro street car that hopefully you'll see unveiled at something that's coming up soon. And then one of my personal favourites, this LS here. Again, starting with a dart block, mast heads. This one topped off with the OAC Engineering H-Stack injection. Very nice street combo, going in LX hatchback. Has not been on the engine dyno yet, but soon to be. Hopefully should make some good numbers. And then, probably as tough as it gets, this big block Chevy. All the fruit, 632 cubes, AFR heads, 1471 BDS blower, topped off with all our PFP products on top. Should make over 1,000 at the wheels, going in a HQ GDS street car. Then behind them, we have another 403 LS. This one topped off with a 2650 blower, going in a VL Calais street car. So this little engine here is a favourite of anyone that walks into the engine room. It's a 427 cubic inch Dart small block with a hydraulic roller camshaft, Race Pro heads, topped off with the twin 750 Dominators. This one has been on the engine dyno, making 650 horsepower. The intentions of this engine is just to be a reliable street engine, very low maintenance, and have a little bit of poke, going into a 56 Chevy Bel Air. Then behind me, we have my personal engine, a 403 cubic inch cast iron LS. This one running Cathedral Port heads, a little bit different to what we normally do, but it's what I had. Then topped off with the beautiful Sean's Custom Mellow manifold and rock covers, as always. We like running them on our builds, as Sean's products are very quality. Hopefully you'll see a lot more of this engine on the channel soon, as we do our first build series, dropping this back into the car and fitting it all up, getting ready for me to thrash. Then on this side, we have the lone alcohol big block Chev out of the Narmate VK Commodore. 598 cubes, 1471 blower, running on alcohol. This one's been removed from that car, and that car has been sold, and this is going into another build very soon. Up this end of the engine room, I've ripped the bags off these two engines for you to have a look at. This one being a 447 cubic inch Dart Windsor. It's going to have the Yates SC1 heads we have on the head bench over here ready to put together, and this sheet metal tunnel rim that's going to be topped off with twin Dominators, going in a Capri street car. Then this one, 416 cubic inch LSA based engine that's been stroked out. It's going to have the ported factory LSA heads and ported LSA blower on top. Should make around 1,000 horsepower mark on the engine dyno, and will be an absolute handful in the VNSS manual street car it's going in. Then behind that, a very cool engine, 355 Holden, topped off with the Harrop 2650 blower, going in a VR GDS street car. Then to this side of it, we have a 6 litre aluminium engine, very basic combo, aircon, power steer, just prettied up to look nice in the 58 Chevy street truck it's going in. Then up the back, all bagged up at various stages of the build, we have another 403 LS in the corner, ready to go in a HG sedan. Then a 496 big block for a 32 Ford. Then a BD 2000 headed small block out of a LJ Tirana. Another big block Chev, going in a 56 Chevy street car. And then next to that, lastly, we have another 403 LS that's going to be topped off with a 671 blower in an LX hatchback. Then on the bench over here, we have a beautiful Harrop 2650i that's going to be going on one of our next builds, being a 427 cubic inch Dart LS going in an LJ Tirana street car. So that wraps up our engine room tour for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next I'll take you through the fab shop and the mechanical side downstairs to see more of what we do. Let us know if there's any other questions you have or anything else you want to see in the next few videos. As always, please give us a like and a subscribe. All helps. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.